I'm Zerlene Rogers, industry hairstylist of 20 years. I create hairstyles for film, television, and print, and I'm also an educator. I'm here to share some tips with you. I get asked all the time different questions about hair, from texture, color, cut, relaxer, natural, this and that, you name it, they ask it. So I've decided to start answering those questions for you. Here's a tip to maintaining leave out. So you want to shampoo it and condition it every week. You want to use heat as less as possible by leaving it braided up after you shampoo it. So you shampoo it, you condition it, you put your leave-in and some moisturizer in it, plait it down in a French braid, and leave it alone. Don't put any heat on it until you absolutely have to. Most of the time, I'll pop a cap on, or if I can wear a stylish hat, I'll do that. And if it's a situation where I absolutely have to straighten it, then I do. But again, I only straighten my hair once when I shampoo it, once in between, and then I have to shampoo again. I hope this tip has been helpful and you now have a better understanding how to maintain your leave out. I'm Zerlene Rogers, and I'll see you again soon.